Question 1. How do I log into my Canvas account? In order to access your Canvas account, first you will need to go to the school's website, berkeleycitycollege.edu. Once on the site, click the Menu tab and select Canvas. From there, you should be redirected to our district website, where you will have the option to select the Student Portal or the Faculty and Staff Portal. Make sure that if you are a student, you click the Student Portal. If not, you will have issues logging in. By now, you should be redirected to a page that is asking for an email address and password. This email address is your student email. Your student ID email comprises of your student ID number at cc.peralta.edu. You should be able to locate both your student email as well as the password to it in the welcome email you received. Your welcome email is the email you received from admissions@peralta.edu when you completed your application to the college. This email contains not only your student ID number, but your student email as well as the password to it. Some returning students may have an email address that comprises of both letters and numbers. If this is the case, or if you're unsure, please be sure to contact our Admissions and Records office for assistance in figuring out which campus email you should be using. If you're a new student and have not received a welcome email within 24 to 48 hours of completing your application, please contact Help Desk at cc.peralta.edu to receive your student ID number. The Peralta Help Desk is our support platform for accessing Canvas and student emails. They help in solving errors, glitches, and login issues with your student email account. How to contact Help Desk. When sending the email to helpdesk@cc.peralta.edu, make sure to include your full name, your student ID, your date of birth, as well as the issues you are having. If you're unsure what your student ID number is, please make sure to include your CCID confirmation code. You would have received this code right after completing your OpenCCC application to the college. Resetting your password. If you're unclear of what your password is, you should first go to the Canvas student email page and put in your student email. Again, your student email is your student ID number at cc.peralta.edu. Once you press enter, you should be redirected to a screen that allows you to put in the password. If you're unclear of this password, please click the highlighted blue Forgot My Password button. Fill out the necessary information and select which form of retrieval you would like. You should have the option to receive an email, a text message, a call, or to answer security questions. After selecting, you will receive a verification code on the form of contact you have selected and confirmed. Input the verification code and you should be able to reset your password. What is an error 404 message? If you find yourself receiving an error 404 message, there could be a few issues happening. If this happens before logging in, try clearing your search history or changing your browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, try using Firefox or Internet Explorer. If the 404 message happens after you log in, please make sure to contact Help Desk with your student ID, full name, and date of birth. When submitting assignment, click on the course that you need to submit the assignment for. Once you've selected the course, on the left-hand side of the screen, there should be a couple of options. Click Assignments. Once you click Assignments, you will be redirected to a page full of assignments. Click the one you need to submit. Once you click on it, you should be redirected to a page that shows a bright blue Submit Assignment button. If you find that this blue button is not there, then more than likely your professor has not published or opened the assignment for submission yet. Make sure to check the due date which is also located right under the name of the assignment. If you find that the due date is what you expected and you still do not see the Submit button, then contact your teacher to make sure that they have published or opened the assignment for you to submit. The page should now have the option for you to do one of 4 things. You can upload a file by choosing a file that is already downloaded to the computer you are using. You can use the Dropbox option. You can also use Google Drive, which means you can log into your Google Drive and select documents from there to submit onto Canvas, or you can use the Office 365. We find file upload to be one of the most easiest options. If you do file upload, click the Choose File button. From there, your computer files should be open for you to select from. Select your file and press the Open button. Once you've pressed the Open button, the file page should disappear and you should be back on the Canvas page. There, next to the Choose File button, the name of your assignment should show up. From there, you can add another file or leave a comment for your professor. If you've selected all that you needed, please click the Submit Assignments button. And from there, the page should scroll up and you should now see where the Submit Assignment button was a Resubmit Assignment button. You should also see on the farther right-hand side of the screen a Submissions with a check next to it, including the date and time of this submission. If neither of these things pop up, try submitting your assignment again, and if unsuccessful, make sure to contact your professor. If you need help using or finding things on Canvas, you have the ability to contact Canvas. You can contact Canvas via email at canvas@peralta.edu for help using and navigating Canvas. If you're having any issues and would like to talk to a support agent, you can also contact Canvas via phone at 844-589-3853. We also have a Canvas support page. This support page includes all the video tutorials from the district on how to use Canvas. The Canvas support page includes tutorials from both the district and Canvas itself on how to navigate Canvas. The link to this will be in the description below. If you need help using Canvas in person, you can speak with one of the Canvas support inside our Learning Resource Center, as well as speaking with one of the student ambassadors. The student ambassador email is bccambassadors@peralta.edu. Their phone number is 510-981-2953. You can use the Learning Resource Center tutors and Canvas specialists by emailing bcc-lrc@peralta.edu, as well as calling 510-981-2827.